boys and girls. I hope you guys are all doing well. Hello moms and dads. Hope everybody is keeping super safe. I'm Coach Erin from ZweZwe Sports, and thank you so much for joining me today. I miss you guys lots. This is episode number 8. So thank you guys for your support. We always enjoy seeing you guys participating. So please send through Coach, or send through some photos for Coach. Okay. So guys, you only need 2 things. You need your water. There we go. And you guys also need lots and lots of energy. Number 2 is lots and lots of energy. Okay. So I want you guys all to get ready. We're gonna stretch first, how we always do. Okay. So we're gonna stretch. So I want us to do, put your legs together, and we're gonna go out to one side and then to the other side, and out to one side and to the other side, and we're just gonna go like your grandfather clock, side to side, side to side. There we go, just side to side. Awesome. There we go. Guys, now we're gonna balance. Okay, so I want us to balance for Coach. We're just gonna balance like a flamingo. Okay, gonna balance like a flamingo. And I want you to make your flamingo neck and your beak. And I want you to bend forward to try and drink some water. Bend forward and up. And again, make your flamingo foot and bend forward. Get some water, and up. There we go. And let's go over into the other one. Bend your knee. Make your flamingo head. And go bend down. Get some water. And up. There we go. And again, bend down. Get some water. And up. Nicely done, guys. Nicely done. Alright. Let's go. Nice. Put your arms out. Go. And now we're going to be like a spinning top. So just go side to side. There we go. Well done. Awesome. Guys, now we're going to get warm. Okay, so let's go like a shoop. And let's go, hello Mr. Starfish. Hello. And let's say goodbye. And hello. And goodbye. And hello. And goodbye. And hello. And goodbye. And hello. And goodbye. Keep going. Nice. And jump up and down for Coach. Jump up and down. Put your hands on your head, on your shoulders, on your tummy, on your nose, on your head, on your shoulders, on your knees, on your tummy, on your knees, on your tummy, on your shoulders, on your head. Where's your head? Where's your head? Keep going, keep bouncing. Good job. And spin around for Coach. Spin around. There you go. Keep going. There we go. Don't get too dizzy. Don't fall over. Okay, guys. We're going to make our crab pinches. Okay, so make your pinches. And we are going to bend our knees for Coach. Bend your knees. And we're going to walk sideways like a crab. So just walk sideways, and remember, bend your knees and walk. Make your pinches, go pinch. And remember, go sideways. Walk sideways like a crab. There you go. Good job, hand back. Well done. And shake it out. Okay, let's go grab some water. Boys and girls, let's go grab some water for Coach. Go on, ask mom and dad for some help if you need. Okay, you guys ready for the next one? So take your fists for Coach. Make fists. Put them on your hips. And we are going to put them up in the sky. So we're going to go from our hip, we're going to go up. And then we're going to go back down. Then the other one up and back down. And then we're going to go a little bit faster. A little bit faster. Remember to bring your fist down to your hip. And a little bit faster. And a little bit faster. And as fast as you can go. As fast as you can go. Keep going. Keep going. Remember, bring your fist down and then up. Down and then up. Good job. Good job. And I want you guys now to do it forwards. So just go forwards. Forwards, keep your arms straight. Keep it, there we go. Just forwards. Just forwards. Nice. Nice. Keep going forwards. Awesome. Guys, now we're going to pretend there's a big rope. So we're going to pretend there's a big rope over there. And we're going to try to climb up. So we're just going to climb up. Like we're climbing up the rope. So you're going to climb up the rope for coach. Just keep climbing. Keep climbing. Keep going. Keep going. Look up. See where you're going. See where you're going. Climb that rope. Climb the rope. All the way. Remember to push all the way down. All the way down. Let's go. Well done. Well done. Well done. And I want you guys to make bird wings for me. Flap your bird wings. Flap your bird wings. Awesome. Okay, so since we're flapping our wings, we're going to be a duck. Okay? And now we're going to land. So we're going to land as a duck. We're going to come in and we're going to land. Put your feet together for coach. Okay? Open them a little bit. And you're going to bend down, bend down, bend down. And then you're going to walk like a duck. So you're going to make your beak and we're just going to walk. So we're going to go down and we're just going to walk like a duck. Walk like a duck. There we go. Walk, walk, walk. Walk, walk, walk. And turn around. Let's go all the way. Down. And walk, walk, walk. And walk, walk, walk. There we go. And stand up for coach. And kick out your legs. Kick out your legs. Awesome. Now, the next animal. We're going to make a big giraffe. So I want you to put your arms together like a neck. Like the giraffe's neck. And you're going to make the head. Let's make the head for coach. Good job. Now, a giraffe is super tall. So we need to go onto our tippy toes. And we need to walk around on your tippy toes. As high as you can go. Walk around for coach. There we go. There we go. Awesome. And so, good job guys, good job. Shake it out. Shake it out like jelly. Like jelly. Awesome. And let's open your legs, go whoop. Get them stuck in the mud, go. Awesome. And guys, we are going to do a Mexican wave, okay? So we miss sports lots. Coach missed sports lots. So you're going to put your hands up. And we're going to go down to one side. And then all the way to the other side. And we're going to go from one side to the other like a big, big wave. Like you're waving to coach. Big wave. Big wave. Keep going side to side. Keep your legs straight. There we go. There we go. Awesome. Okay, guys, we're gonna climb the mountain. Okay, so like we were climbing with the rope, climbing up the same mountain. So we're gonna put our hand up and our leg up at the same time on the same side. And we are going to pull down. And then up on the other side, and down. And up, and down. And up, and down. And up, and down. There we go. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. A little bit faster. There we go. There we go. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. Okay, guys, we're going to make it more difficult. So, now we're going to take this hand and the other leg at the same time. So we're going to go up with this one and up with this one and down. Then up with this one and this one, up and down. And we're going to go opposites, okay? So we're using opposite arm, opposite leg. And keep going. Keep going, keep climbing up. Keep climbing up. Keep climbing up. Climbing up. Climbing up. Go on, go on, go on. Well done, well done. Awesome stuff, awesome. Okay, go grab some water for coach. You guys deserve it. I'm proud of you. Go get your water. Okay, I want you guys to lie on your back. Lie on your back for coach. Lie on your back. And bend your knees up like this. So bend your knees. So you got bent knees. Okay? And we're gonna go from here. And we're gonna go straight legs and down. And straight legs and down. Okay? Take your hands and put them underneath your bum so that you don't hurt your back. Okay? And let's go straight legs and down. And straight legs and down. And straight legs and down. And straight legs. Keep going, keep going. And stand up for coach. Stand up fast, fast, fast. There we go. Okay, guys, we're gonna do some ice skating. Okay, so we're gonna go from one side to the other side. So when we go, we're gonna bend this knee and we're gonna push, and then we're gonna bend this knee and push, and push, and bend your knee and push, and bend your knee, and keep going, and to the other side, and bounce, whoops, and bounce, don't fall, and again, and bounce, and again, bounce. Nicely done. Okay, we're gonna go feet together. We're gonna go open, close, open, close, open, close, open, close, close, open, close, close, open, close. And let's go backwards and forwards. Good job. Okay, now you need to listen carefully. Put your hands on your head. Put one hand on your tummy. One hand. Take the hand from your head. Put it on your shoulder. Take your hand from your tummy. Put it on your knee. Take your hand from your shoulder. Put it on your knee. And go crisscross. And let's touch one foot. And the other foot. And your head. And your shoulders. And your elbows, and pick it up for coach. There we go. And put your hands behind your head like you're lying on the beach. There we go. And push your arms back. Nice. Well done. And jump up and down. There we go. Awesome. And let's stretch up to the sky, and down to your toes, and up to the sky, and let's open your legs, and let's go down to the middle, and up to the sky, and lean over to one side, and to the other side, and up to the middle. Awesome, boys and girls, you guys did so well today. Coach Erin is so proud of you. Moms and dads, thank you guys so much for joining us for episode number 8. I would love to see you on episode number 9. So please subscribe. You guys will receive all of the information. I hope you guys have been enjoying. Guys, boys and girls, listen to mom and dad. Coach will see you soon.